Hey guys, I'm going to do a couple on video with you. These are the ones posted that you also have these documents listed, and all of this stuff is written out for you, just in case you need some guidance. All these have to do with mean confidence intervals, and then next week we'll do again mean hypothesis testing. So here's one of the questions. Anthropologists have discovered a prehistoric cave dwelling that contains a large number of adult human footprints. To study the size of the adults who used the cave dwelling, they randomly selected, that's good to know, random, 20 of the footprints from the population of all footprints in the cave and measured the length of those footprints. Some statistics resulting from this random sample are as follows. So again, our sample size is 20. The mean is 24.8. and the standard deviation is 7.5. Those are some good statistics to know. Over here again is another couple of data that we have, the minimum, the Q1, the median, Q3, and a maximum. The anthropologist would like to construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean foot length of the adults who use the cave dwelling. Okay, so part A, this is the condition question, just to remind you of what the conditions are. They should not be new to you. What assumptions are necessary in order for this confidence interval to be appropriate? It has to be random, which it is, normal, and they have to be independent. This is actually a very old FRQ question, so they're not actually having us construct the confidence interval. Part B then, discuss whether each of the assumptions listed in your response to A appears to be satisfied in this situation. Let me pull back here. All right, so random, if the problem does state it is randomly selected. Normal, however, is not really met in this question. The normal is not met because N, which is 20, is not in fact greater than or equal to 30. We could do this, possibly, but we'd have to look at the data in a graph setting to make sure it's not skewed or if there's any extreme outliers. So unless we did that, and we can, that 5-number summary up above. Independence is actually met here, but since the normal one is not, we wouldn't necessarily have to do this confidence interval. The 10% condition, again, this is all linking back to what we've been doing with proportions. It's all the same, just applying it now to means. We would have to assume there's at least 200 footprints in the cave, and there is a strong possibility of that happening. But there's that question, again, making sure all the conditions are met. Hope you guys are doing well, and I hope to see you all soon.